Hey guys, on the Master the Grill Yotagay summer recipe today, we're gonna be checking out how to grill our salmon. Salmon was one of those, those recipes that you grill real fast in like less than 5 minutes. All we need is right here is a little bit of salt, fresh herbs, and a little bit of lime juice. And the one thing that's very important is our grill. Right there, you want to make your grill hot, but not so hot, something less than 300 degrees centigrade. Right there, look at our salmon right there. Let that guy sit on both sides for like 2 to 3 minutes each. Flip it in between if you can, and look at how juicy that guy is right there. Looking just so juicy. You don't want it to stay on the grill so much that way we don't lose the juice. And that's our outcome right there. Thanks for watching that video today, and thanks for don't forget to subscribe.